This is where we're going. Sea bass with a maracuya caper butter sauce. Let me show you how. Here is what we need. 2 thick sea bass fillets, butter, olive oil, garlic, capers, red pepper flakes, a splash of white wine, fresh maracuya pulp. This is my twist, by the way, and it changes everything. Lemon zest and fresh parsley to finish. First, pat your fillets completely dry, both sides. This is what gives you a crust instead of a steam. Season generously with salt, black pepper, and a pinch of red pepper flakes. Now put your fillets on the skillet and don't touch it for 4 minutes. Cover if they're too thick. Now flip them gently and cook 4 more minutes on this side. Then into a 475 degrees Fahrenheit oven for 4 minutes to finish the center. And now the sauce, and this is where it gets special. Same pan, lower the heat, butter goes in, let it foam, add your garlic, let it soften, then capers, red pepper flakes, a splash of white wine, let it reduce 30 seconds, and now the maracuya. Look at that color. That is passion fruit blooming into butter. Nothing else does that. Stir it together and let it reduce for just a minute. Then off the heat, lemon zest, right at the end. Just the zest, not the juice. You want the perfume, not the acidity. The maracuya is already doing that work. The sauce is done now. It goes in first, fish and asparagus on top, and now spoon every drop of that sauce over the fish. Every single drop. Fresh parsley to finish. Serve it on its own or with white rice or mashed potatoes to catch all that sauce. And this is my sea bass with maracuya caper butter, a $60 restaurant dish made in your kitchen in 20 minutes with ingredients you can find anywhere, except maybe the maracuya, but that's our secret. Thank you so much for watching.